Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the Marketplace Campaign extension for Magento 2, a powerful tool that empowers vendors and admins to run promotional campaigns with banners, discounts, and targeted offers, driving engagement and boosting sales. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, log in to the admin panel. Then, click on Stores and go to Configurations. Inside the Webkul section, you will find Marketplace Campaign. Click on it. Under Marketplace Campaign, there are two options: General Settings and Product Information. In General Settings, the first option is Enable, where the admin can enable or disable the module by selecting Yes or No. I selected Yes to enable it. The next option is Join Request to Seller's email template, where the admin can choose which email template to send when inviting sellers to join a campaign. A default one is already selected. In the Product Information section, the admin can view details like the author, version, user guide, store extension, tickets, and customization services. After configuring everything, click Save Config to save the settings. Once the settings are saved, go to Marketplace Management, then click on Manage Campaign. This section allows the admin to create multiple new campaigns by clicking on Add New Campaign. I've already created one campaign, but I'll also show how to add a new one. After clicking Add New Campaign, you'll be redirected to the campaign creation page. The first section is Information, where the admin must enter the campaign title, status, website, customer groups, and campaign start and end dates. Then comes Conditions and Actions, where the admin can define campaign conditions, such as applying percentage or fixed price discounts, applying the discount to the whole cart, using a Buy X Get Y free offer, setting a discount amount, maximum quantity, step quantity, and whether to discard subsequent rules. In the Sellers Campaign section, the admin can choose whether to involve sellers in the campaign. They can also set the last date for sellers to join, add a dashboard title and description for sellers, upload a campaign banner, and define the promotion banner start date. The admin can upload the banner from here as well. There's also a section for customer terms and conditions, where a description can be added for buyers. Once all fields are filled, click on Save Campaign to finalize it. To show you an example, I'll edit the campaign I've already created, titled Fashion Sale Campaign. In the Information tab, I added the campaign title, enabled the status, selected the website as main website, and chose customer groups like Not Logged In, General, Wholesaler, and Retailer. I also set the campaign start and end dates. Under Conditions and Actions, I applied a condition based on the payment method, selecting Check Money Order. I set the discount type to percentage of product price and entered a discount value of 30%. I also chose the step quantity and whether to allow subsequent rule processing. In the Sellers Campaign tab, I enabled seller participation, selected a last joining date, and added the seller dashboard title Join for Fashion Sale Campaign. A description for the sellers was added, and a campaign banner was uploaded. The Seller List Notification section displays the sellers who joined the campaign. I also defined a promotion banner start date and uploaded the respective banner. Lastly, in the Customer Terms and Conditions, I added a description encouraging users to join for fashion sales. Now, in the Managed Campaign, after creating a campaign, the admin adds products to this campaign by Click on Manage. The product is now showing here. The admin assigns these products to the campaign. To do this, check the box like this, then click on Actions, and then click Enable or Disable to assign the product. I am clicking Enable to enable this product for the campaign. Now, this product is successfully assigned to the campaign. Now, I will show you how to manage the campaign. The total number of products assigned to this campaign is shown as 5. This is all about the model feature for the admin. Now I am showing you the seller side. First, go to the front end and log in. Then click on My Account. In the My Account section, there is an option called Campaign. Click on it. In the Campaign section, a campaign titled Fashion Sale Campaign is visible and its status is marked as live. Sellers can click on View to see the campaign. The fashion sale campaign will be displayed and there is a button labeled Join Campaign. By clicking this button, sellers can join the campaign. They can also join through the Marketplace dashboard. In the dashboard, the fashion campaign banner is visible and sellers can click Join Now. The campaign page will open and there will be another Join Campaign button. Sellers can click on it to join the campaign. After doing so, a success message appears. Then, sellers can assign their products to the campaign by clicking on Products, where one of the seller's products will be available for assignment. Now I am showing you the front end from the customer side. First, go to the front end and click on Offers. In the Offers section, the campaign banner is visible. Click on the campaign banner. After clicking, the products assigned to this campaign will be displayed. Customers can purchase these products by clicking on a product, then clicking Add to Cart. After that, go to the cart and proceed to checkout. Click Next to continue. The available payment methods are check, money order, bank transfer, and cash on delivery. I'm selecting check money order. A discount of $10 is applied to the product. If I choose bank transfer instead, the discount is removed. This is because the campaign offer is valid only when paying by check money order, so I'll select that option again to apply the discount. Then click on Place Order. Now the product has been successfully purchased by the customer. That's all about this module. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.